Alright, let's continue from where we stop off. The next part is let's work on our registration login. So for our login, we'll come back to our repo and we'll just copy this and make this a login. Login, of course, all we need is just this, and we can come here and say login URL. Login. Okay, so we can quickly come here and throw this away. Say login URL. I think that will be all for this login. Okay, login. So we can come here, can do the same. What we need is, you can see, is login loading. So you can actually use this for login as well, because you cannot log in and register at the same time. So what we can do is to copy this and say login user. Okay, take this off, say login, take this off as well. Now mind you, need to take note of this. When you come to our login, what we have is 200. Okay, what we have is what? 200. Okay, and here in our login, let's quickly, okay, yeah, it's 200. So I know we'll take this token as well. So what we can do here is to say, okay, yes, we've successfully logged in and our response is 200, and you can say final result is equals to JSON decode, JSON dot decode, sorry, we need to decode the response dot body. Okay, now we'll decode the response dot body, we'll print out the results. There are two things, there is something we need from this result. So we just say this is the result, print out this result and see what we'll have first. After that, we can now decide on what to do next. Okay, so let's go back to our login page. You can also come here and take this, very important, come to login and put them here. One, we don't need this. All right, we don't need this. Okay, in our login, we'll go back to our login and remove the constant from here. We'll come to our main and remove the const from here. All right, so this will go away. Okay, let's just save everything. Okay, everything is saved. So come to login, refresh please, and at this point you can say form, and the key is going to be underscore form key. All right, mind you, remember what we did there. We can come here and say validate, accept this. So if value dot is empty, that is, if there is no value, then what can we say? We can say please enter email address, otherwise return null. Otherwise return null means everything is, oh sorry, otherwise return null means everything is what? Okay. All right, so at the same time we say save. On save, when the value is, when we save value, can come here and say email is equals to what? Value dot to string, sorry, dot to string. Okay, so we can do same for password. We just copy it and come here, so enter, please enter password. Okay, and here will be for our what password. So in our login, again, we'll come here and include our consumer. I'll take our auth provider. All right, the builder has context auth provider. All right, and the child. Oh, we don't need the child. Okay, then the next thing is to come here and say form key dot current state dot validated. All right, so we'll check if it is validated. If it is validated, then because I did not check here, then we save. Remember to save before you do anything else. Then await. Of course, our await need an async. Await auth dot login users which are set email and password dot then, right, results. Okay, now what happens if this is okay? All right, result is going to be true. So if results is equals to true, we can now say navigate to new page. Navigate to to a new page, okay, or a new screen or screen. All right, so we'll navigate to a new screen. So let's just quickly create a new screen. Here we'll say home. Call it our home screen. All right, so say home. All right, call it dashboard dot that. All right, stateless widget dashboard screen. Okay, in our dashboard screen we'll have scaffold, we'll have app bar with a title test of what dashboard. Okay, with a body, say column, of course children, the test is going to be what feeds. All right, so these are dashboard. We are not just going to navigate we need to save. All right, sorry about that short break. All right, so what we can do, we can navigate and replace the screen. Okay, because once we leave this page to the dashboard, we are not coming back to this page even when the user try to uh, uh, touch their back button. We're not coming back to that page. Okay, so what we can do, say navigator dot of context, sorry, navigator dot of context push replace until. Okay, push replace until. New route is material page routes. Okay, context, take this to context, and where are we going to? We're going to dashboard screen. All right, so what? All right, so what's the predicates? Predicate is going to be route dynamic. Of course, it's gonna be route, and it's gonna return false. Okay, so this will take us to the dashboard. All right, so let's quickly try that. We have email, james at gmail.com. I think the password is 12345 6. So, all right, there's something we did put here. Okay, it's loading. Dot is loading. Then say center child circular progress indicator. Okay, as this. All right, so take this off. Okay, so what we can do now is to come here and start james at gmail.com. Password is 12345 6. All right, so let's see if okay, straight to our dashboard, and this is the result. Okay, now when you refresh the page, to take us back to login. Okay, to take us back to login, and this is not what we actually want. We don't want it this way. What we want is that when the user has been logged in, and even if the user goes out of the app and comes back to the app, the user should be able to, the state should be able to retain, the user should be able to go to the dashboard without logging in. So I think that's what we need to achieve next. I just saw something now. I think what we did here is to say horizontal 10. Okay, horizontal 10. Okay, okay. So what we can do next is here we'll check again. We'll print out. I think we have token. Let's see if we are right. James. Comment please. James at gmail.com. 12345 6. All right. I want to see what we have here. All right, these are token. Okay, so what we can do here is to say, okay, shared preference, call it pre, is equals to await shared preference, right? How do I save in shared preference again? Sorry, I've totally forgotten how. Okay, shared preference at instance. I'm right. Sorry, dot instance, dot get instance. Okay, so we can now say pref dot pref dot set. What am I getting? All right, let me try here. Wait, pref dot set. Okay, set string. The string is going to be token, and the value it will take is this value. All right, so you can do away with this. So once this is set, we are good to go. Okay, but then we need to run it in our front end as well by coming here. I'll say future bool is user logged in. Okay, is an async. All right, also take our shared preference. Shared preference prefs is equals to await shared preference dot get instance. Okay, so return shared preference, return await dot prefs dot get string key token. Okay, all right, say find string this token is equals to this. Okay, so say token, then token is equals to none, then false as true. So if our token is equals to none, to return false, otherwise to return true. Okay, all right, if token is equals to null, that is empty, to return false, otherwise return true. Okay, so what we can do here in our home, we can return future future builder. And what is the future? It's going to be of a type bool, and this is the future. Okay, the builder is going to take a context. It's going to take context and snapshots. Snapshots. Sorry, snapshots. Okay, so check if snapshots dot connection is equals to connection state dot waiting, of course, to return center child circular progress indicator. Okay, if snapshot dot has data to return snapshot dot data, then dashboard, it means there's data, otherwise login screen. Okay, that's by default to return our login screen. All right, this is just basic. Actually, this is just basic. All right, let's make this thing small. Okay, so this is just basic structure, not all right. Login. Okay, so say James at gmail.com 123456. Okay, we're back to dashboard, so let's check to see if it takes us back to dashboard. Did it? All right, let's refresh again. And this thing is very fast. Okay, let's debug banner is equals to false. All right, so this is the basic structure of an app. Okay, next video we'll work on the dashboard and see what we got. Okay, that'll be all for now. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the notification bell icon. Thank you.